So this is the wing that I'm putting on the car. I found this wing off of V70 in the same color as mine, so I got really lucky. And the paint job isn't that great. Lots of deep scratches and imperfections, but hopefully in the summertime, I'll make a video of like fixing all those imperfections. And the brackets that hold on the wing onto the tailgate for wagons, the brackets are rusted, the paint's peeling, so I'm gonna clean those up before I put them on the car. And the actual screws that hold on the wing, this is a screw that came off the car in the junkyard, and they're rusted. They're not good. So I bought some new screws, some new shiny, same size. They fit on. I tested it. They work perfectly. Screws in perfectly. So I'm gonna clean up this this wing. I'm gonna clean up the brackets. Then hopefully we'll be able to put it on the car. So I have the brackets for mounting the spoiler, and I have a fine grit sanding block. I'm just gonna sand them down before I paint them. Cleaned up the brackets as best as I can. Took off as much rust as I wanted to, and I wiped it down with some isopropyl alcohol just to get rid of all the oils, so the spray paint would stick best. And I'm gonna try spray painting it now. So I finished repainting and refinishing the brackets. The paint job is good, like it'll stop the rust. I used some like rust inhibiting paint, so that's the bracket. And now the next step is to prep the surface on the spoiler. It has some of the like leftover adhesive. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a heat gun. I'm gonna remove the adhesive and then add my own adhesive that I got from the hardware store. So I ran into a problem. I think it's best to just leave on the old adhesive. Like take off the like anything that's like coming off, but anything that's really stuck on there, just leave it, because now I have the plastic piece exposed, and I ripped off some of the old paint, so that sucks. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna leave this here. I'm gonna put it on the old adhesive, on the new adhesive, just overlay it on there, and hopefully it'll just stick. But yeah, so don't try and take off the old adhesive. So this is what it looks like with the adhesive on. This side is actually like really clean. You can still see the OEM adhesive underneath. And I kind of went over the edges, but I think it'll be fine. You won't be able to notice it. On this side though, you can see where the paint came off. And yeah. One thing to note when mounting the spoiler is that to make the process a lot easier, you can thread in one screw at the top of both sides of the spoiler, and that will help you like slip on the spoiler, so it just makes the whole process way easier.
So we've attached the hinges we got out of the junkyard from same year, same model car. However, they don't seem to align that well with the hinges of the trunk. This one's better for seat. And they're sticking out quite a bit.
So for a spacer, I added just a bunch of layers of double-sided sticky tape, and that'll help with the fitting onto the tailgate. And we have it already stuck onto the tailgate into the right position, so now we just have to screw on the bracket. So this is the piece that we originally broke when it came off, but it's gonna need to be trimmed.
No, it's trimmed.
Or yeah, we could just
No, it's perfect.
push it in. We broke it in the right spot, so now it will fit perfectly.
Hopefully nothing gets caught up. It's clear on your side?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It does look sick.